here with another one, showing you guys my build I did over winter. It's a 2002 kx125, fully rebuilt, top to bottom, brand new cases. I got the frame powder coated, has metal flakes in the frame, looks pretty sweet, all fresh. I got the swing arm painted black, subframe painted green, rims, sprockets I didn't touch yet. That's the only thing. I got the forks rebuilt, all new plastics, new handlebars, new breakaway, cheap breakaway brake levers and clutch lever, new grips, pro taper, carbon fiber gas tank. The pipe I painted. The motor's all brand new seals, bearings, everything's brand new in the top end and bottom end. I got the back brake lever powder coated. It looks pretty good, not bad. She's a ripper. Clean build. The radiators are all polished up. She's a clean build. It took me about 6 to 8 months to do. When I bought the bike, I was just gonna ride it regular stock, but somebody tried to get me, and I had a crack on the motor. So that's just shining from there. She's clean though. Now it's time to rip her, test her out. No leaks, everything's solid. Let's give her a rip. I do that there, YouTube. First rip on the 125. She's a beast. You seen her, you heard her. She was ripping and gripping. She sounds good now. She had to clear out. She ain't been ridden in a minute. She sounds amazing, feels amazing. Can't beat it. On to the next one.